What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Kobe Protro. We are back for another video, guys. We are in Camarillo, so obviously we're at the Nike Outlet in Camarillo. It's 10 minutes before they open and there's no line. There's absolutely no line. Bosco and I were like flabbergasted because there's absolutely no line. Like, we haven't seen that before. And I think it's because they have no sales. They have no sales. I guess there's no point in coming here for all the resellers. So, all right, I guess we'll see what happens when they open and we'll see what's up. Bosco and I weren't even sure if we came at the right time, but yeah, they do open at 10 a.m. So yeah, I don't know. We're back to the old days, Bosco. Yes, back to the old days where we don't have to
be here super early, right?
Yeah, get here like 45 minutes early. But I kind of do miss the sales, so it's kind of a mixed bag. I don't know.
Yeah, definitely. How you doing today?
Just a couple minutes. Wait, this is dope. All right, let's go. Let's go see what's up. See if they got any heat in the middle section. Not really. Not really. They do got one box here. I'm curious to see what this box is. Some Nike Prestos. That's not really that hype. Okay, let's keep it moving. All right, I'm going to comb through the aisle, see if there's anything crazy dope. And then we'll kind of take things from there. We'll break it down. All right, cool. I didn't see anything crazy in the what's called section. They do have the Kobe one noise canceling. So they do have them they have size 12, 13, and then a bunch of 11s, 10.5s, and 9s. So yeah, let me look into this. I say let me look into it because it's listed as this, and I heard it's ringing up at a different price. So yeah, let me look into it. All right, yeah. So these did come out to 132 or 133. See, I'm gonna do a size swap. This is a size 9.5. I don't know why I took a 9.5, but oh yeah, I just took it just so he could scan it. So yeah, I'm gonna do a swap with mine because I want a full box. But yeah, I'm also gonna hit up one of my boys to see if he wants one. But yeah, so yeah, we'll post that on my Instagram right now. And then look, grab two. I'm grabbing one for me. I'm gonna do a size swap, or not really a size swap because it's the same size. But I just want a full box, so I'm gonna change mine to that. And I'm getting one for one of the homies. All right, let's look around. Let's look around this area. All right, we are on the 10.5s. Gonna go back to a regular schedule program. $1.40 for these. No discounts today at the clearance section. So I guess the 10.5s and 11s kind of mixed together. Do got a plethora of the drop types going for $30, all black ones. Do got some Kyries right here. Kyries 6 TVs. These are size 11, go for $1.30. These are 10.5s or the 10s? I can't tell. Oh, so we are in the 10.5 still. These are going for $100. This does have that premium leather. Man, it's just soft. Oh my goodness, look at that. It might be synthetic, but it feels hella good. I don't care what it is. It's super soft. Man, got tumble action going on. It is a craft. $20 off. That's not bad. That's not bad. These are dope. I actually got a couple of them. That's a size 10.5. So they got 10. Oh, so they got two 10.5s. Okay. Got these right here. These are Air Force One Reacts. Go for what, 120. We got some Kyrie 7s here. These are the bread colorway. Size 10 go for $1.30. 120 for these. 124 for these. My bad. KD 13s. I was like, what the heck? Oh, switcheroo? Switcheroo? I don't know. Ooh, Air Max 90 slides. These are going for 45. This is a size 10, and it sounds expensive, but these retail for 75, so that's actually a really good deal. We are in the size 11s now. Got these Zoom Free 2s going for $76. Aerospace 720s $1.30. Some Daybreaks going for $90. Yeah, I definitely have not seen this colorway. This is an interesting colorway with the Daybreaks. Okay. And you're seeing the Kyries going for retail $140. A lot of stuff going for retail. This is the N7 Benassi slides going for $35. Let's see what these Air Max 90s is going for. Dang, $140 retail. Air Force Ones. Okay, I don't know which one this is. Like a piece colorway or something. I don't know. But yeah, going for $110. Air Max 90 Flight Ease here. Going for retail, size 11. Westbrook 0.3s. Going for retail as well. Okay. What the heck are these Jordans? What the hell are these? Pro RX? Y'all seen these before? Oh, these look budgety as heck. Like the materials and stuff too? Okay. They still going for $1.25. Holy cow. Let's see, 130 for these Kobe's. 125 for these. Yeah, I wonder. All right, we are seeing some deals now. We got the Kyrie 6 Asia's going for $90, a little discount. Okay. PG4s, kind of like a Clippers colorway, going for 70 bucks. Pegasus 37s, okay. Dope running shoes going for 90. That's pretty good because these are normally always $120. Air Force Ones right here, okay. 120 for the craters. Oh, drop types. Oh, after size 12, it's extended size, I guess. 20 bucks for those. Holy cow. That one, the size 12s. We got some more Jordans, the Renegades. Okay, these got some Zoom Air in it. Okay, the upper's a little interesting. Like an Element upper. Oh, okay, that's interesting. 100 bucks for those. Super Rep, but these are, I think, cycling shoes. Yep. You could put on the, I don't know, the adapter or whatever clicks onto the bikes. Okay, normally $120, go for 100 bucks. Called the Super Rep Cycles. Apparently, I'm in the size 13 now. PG 2.5, $70. Didn't we see these for 50 a little while ago? Or is that the clearance center? I don't know, but yeah, 70 bucks. Still not bad, because that's one of my favorite PGs. Blazers. These are some fly blazers, actually. 60 bucks for these. Wow. Dang, normally $110 to almost 50% off. See, we are finding deals still. Just, you know, have to look a little bit hard. But yeah, size 13. That's dope. Got some Elements. What these Elements going for? Oh, I'm sorry. The Reacts Visions going for 80 bucks. Tailwinds. I see some nice weight. See some nice weight already. 80 bucks for these. Okay. Size 14s now. Zoom Freak 2s. Interesting colorway of those. Going for 100 bucks. Another one for 100. The Kyries Low 2s going for 50. Wow. LeBron's going for $120. Like I was like, what? This baby blue looks like really dope. It's kind of like a really faint colorway. Air Max Impacts for 65 bucks. These look like a budget 270. That's what it looks like. Oh, the 37 Flyees going for 50 bucks. That's pretty dope. That's the biggest size 15 section we've seen in a long time, or 15 and over. Is that a Jordan 1 alert for the size humongous? I don't know what size this is. Size 15s? Okay, 100 bucks for these Jordan 1s. I know it's hard to find retros for those of you with huge feet. This is a size 18. Going for $120. Okay. Size 15. LeBron's for 100. Pegasus for 70. Got some Zoom BB NXTs going for 80. Air Force One Premiums, $140 for those. Okay. Now we are going to the smaller sizes. Let's see what's up. All right, let's check this thing right here. So we're on the size 10 now. Air Force One. These are like a Christmas one. Okay. I don't remember these coming out. That's kind of hella interesting. Okay. 90 bucks for those bad boys. Size 9.5. We got 60 bucks right here. Did I say $160 or 60? I don't know. Okay. We got some KDs. $110 for these. Air Force Ones still retail. $110 for those. I was like, these ain't no Vapor X Air Max 95. What the heck? Okay. The Aerospace. These are size 9. 720s going for $150. Oh, they got some of the recycled racer waffles. Okay, go for $70. That's actually a hell of a price. Ooh, what are these going for? Vapor Max 360s. Size 8.5 going for $120. Damn, that's small, dude. Dang, we're at size 8, you guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow, $110 for these. What is going on here? $110? Balling on the budget, saw these for $110. Did I miss these here when they had a full-size run? Oh, now I'm just mad. That's what happens when you ignore the outlets for a couple weeks, man. Damn. Man, I'm so mad about that size. Another size 8. KD13 go for 7.5. KD13s go for $150. $80 for these bad boys. Or $70, my bad. LeBron's $160 for these. Man, they fooled me again with this dope colorway. And then just gave us that mediocrity once again. Alright, that is the star of the show right there. Yeah, let's look around. Let's look around the aisles now. Do got quite a few signatures here, you guys. Got the Zoom Freak 2s, Kyries 6, N7s. We saw these like right after release, though. More of the N7s. The Last Shots. I forgot what colorway this is. I don't know. Laser Crimson, Midnight Navy, that's it. Kyries Low 3s, more of those. Flytrap 3s, more of those. Holy crap, they got so many Kyries here. Another Flytrap 3. Got Zoom Freak 1 right here. Another one of those. Oh, these are $60. Holy crap. Another one of those. I've never seen those. A Renew basketball shoe? The Renew Elevate? Okay, I've never seen that. Okay. Normally 80 bucks. You got the Shocks BB4s, Zoom BB NXTs. These keep going down, man. Yeah, I remember when these came out at $180. Holy cow. Dude got the Soldiers, another Soldier 13, Soldier 14. Dang, they're dropping in price. Holy cow, these aren't even that old. Dude got some denim 4. Like every time I think about denims, I always think about the Levi 4s. That's funny. But yeah, the drop types. Daybreaks. Squash types, that is like a mesh material though. PG4s, that is the gamer exclusive. 70 bucks, not bad. More PGs. They're gonna have to clearance the hell out of these, man. Like, the PGs have been here so long. Red colorway, I don't know, Clippers colorway? I don't know. PCGs, the TBs, and then the PG3s. How did they have so many PG3s? Like, I don't know. Dude got some of the Mambas. We got the Kobe 1s right here that we talked about for a while. And I did post that on Instagram too, so yeah. KD13s, KD12s, some Zoom Janowskis, and then these. But yeah, there's really not many left. Size 11, that's it. Okay. Dude got the React Surtus, the Visions, the Space Hippie 4s, the Ghost Swiss right there, okay. Air More Monies. Oh man, these are terrible. The Icons, they got plenty of sizes, only up to 10.5 though. So apparently the big feet people love these. The little feet people, not fan apparently. Dude got the B grade mids, the Air Force Ones. Only size 11. There's one 11.5 with a replacement box size 12 and a size 15. That's it. Blazer low leathers with the fantastic leather. Drop types, the Zoom types, 270. A couple more of those. Dang, just a whole aisle of 270s. It just keeps going and going and going. 270 Reacts, by the way. Air Max Exosense. What the heck is that? All right, now I think we're in the generic city. Let's go check out the women's aisles and maybe the clearance section. The women's clearance section's just been terrible. Has not had anything. So, I don't know. We'll check it out real quick. Oh, this wasn't here before. In the little heat section here, they do have some Air Force One. This is a GS size 4. Okay, no sale though. Dude, I'm seeing kind of the same stuff over and over. They've had these Air Max 97s or 98s, my bad. Air Max 98s. These are the ones where you can kind of tear off the top, and there's like a bunch of colors underneath. These are going for 80 bucks. They've had these for weeks now, weeks and weeks. And the 7.5, the Jordan Deltas go for 100 bucks. Okay, we do have one that's not in a bag, and yeah, you can see that fabric material that just tears off, and there's a bunch of colors underneath. Okay. And we have an example of how it looks underneath. That's jacked up. Someone did that though. They should lower the price. Dude got the double zooms, double stacked. 130 for these, because these normally went for like 2 something. So yeah, these look so comfy. Man, I hope to find one of these at the outlets, the men's one. I'd be so happy. That's a size 7.5 for $130. Normally $230, I think, or $220. And the size 8.5, we got some Air Max 98s right here. Interesting colorway, go for $70. Zoom Pegasus 36s go for $60. The chunky Alto Vista Light go for 60 bucks. That's the size 9 though. Got the regular Vistas, the Vista Grinds, I think. Yeah, $110 for these, size 9. More size 9. The React Visions go for 100 bucks. Of course, gotta check out the size 12s real quick. We got the Pegasus Turbos go for 100 bucks. A little high. Some regular Pegasus. These came out in men's sizes too. I think this is a men's. I think that is a men's. That's huge. 11.5 go for $70. What are these Element? Oh, these are the Infinity Reacts. Go for $70. That's actually a really good price. Checking out some of the small size Legend React 2s. Size 6 go for $55. Size 5 Pegasus 7s retail. Infinity React Runs go for $120. Okay, that's a size 6. Oh, we got some Air Max 95s. Size 6 going for $125. That's an interesting colorway. 5.5 right here. $70 for these. Of course, that pretty much is like a super small size, but $70? That's such a steal. I swear the women's section has been extra generic, especially in the aisles right here. With like the Renew Runs. What is that? The Nike Free Run Fly Knits. Or Free Runs. I'm sorry. Man, I can't talk apparently. See, those are the Free Run Fly Knits. Okay. Quest 2s, really? More Renew Trainer 9s, like just extra generic, you guys, extra generic. All right, we found a little decent something. Air Max 200s, more of those. Exo Stents, Air Max Exo Stents. The Brew and Highs, $30. That's such a good deal. Okay, that's dope. The Air Force One Shadows, not that many sizes, 7.5 through 9. They do have an 11 as well, but no sale as well, man. Waffle Racers, the Daybreaks. Air Max 2090s. They got a little something. More Air Max 2090s. 720s. Another one of those. Okay. Dang, we're checking out the kids section. The kids, I think they got the best deals out of everybody. Look at this. The LeBrons. More of the LeBron 7. Oh, yeah. More of the LeBron 17s. LeBron 7. All-Star colorway. 270 Reacts right here. The 720. Air Max 720 818s. React 270s, another one of those, another one of those. Holy cow, they got a lot of 270 Reacts. Prices have been very up and down. At least we're ending with a down. That's nice. That's a hell of a price. Presto Reacts, another one of those. The Renew Elements. Oh, that's a Renew. Man, they totally tripped me on that one. Mars 270s. Got some Tailwinds. Another one of those. Okay, got some Air Max Plus. Air Max 98. Air Max 90. These are the Fly E's. The regular ones right here. The Zoom Freak 2s. And the Zoom Freak 1s. I think the kids section's the best one out of all of them. This wasn't like that weird green color. Definitely would cop these. Holy cow. Under 30 bucks, man. Alright, we'll cover the compare a little bit. This big old jacket, winter jacket, size large. Normally $250 down to $110, and you get 20% off. Damn, that's not bad at all, you guys. Not bad at all. Got dry fit right here, dry fit jacket, fleece jacket going for 50 bucks. This is, what is this? It's a small tech fleece jacket. Yeah, it's $70, and you do get 20% off. This is small though. I did comb through here, didn't really see anything crazy. I feel like it's a lot of the same stuff that we've seen at a lot of other spots. These are a size small. They do have them in a couple different sizes. Fleece jackets, 30 bucks. Long sleeve dry fit shirts, they're going for $28. These really normally $75? You do it for $28 and you get 20% off? Holy crap, that's crazy. More of those tech fleece jackets. If they had those in the size medium, I might think about it. But yeah, I am combing through the medium section. I don't see any of that. I don't see any of those tech fleece jackets. God dang it. I guess this stuff is on sale too. Got these fleece shorts. $15 for these? That's just hella cheap. And you get that 20% off. Dude, got the Jumpman LA exclusive shirts. These bad boys going for $8. You get 20% off of that. Nike t-shirt, size small. These bad boys, $8 too. These are $8 as well. You get 20% off of that. That's crazy. Let's check up on Bosco. Bosco is getting stuff for his members right now. And I'm going to do another reminder. I don't do pickups. And why do I say this? Because I've already gotten like 3 requests today. So yeah, I definitely don't do pickups. Bosco does. Go check out his channel. He's got all kinds of stuff for his boys or for his people. So yeah, make sure you guys check it out. Because yeah, like I said, I've gotten like 3-4 requests today. The Kobe's are only buy one. Like you can only buy one per person. I have a feeling they changed that because I did have a couple more for one of my peoples. But yeah. I was only able to get one and for one of my boys. So yeah, there's not much you can do. But yeah, check out Bosco's channel and his membership programs. Make sure you guys go check that out. Bosco got his thing. I got my one thing. We're gonna wrap it up. I think Bosco saw something else. But I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm done. I was about to wrap it up. They do got these, the Day of the Dead hoodies. These are super dope. They only got small and extra large though, I think. Yeah, just small and just extra large. Dang it, if I had a medium, I'd probably would jump on it. They're going for 50 bucks. Normally $70, 50 bucks. Man, that's dope. All right, now it's official. I'm gonna wrap it up. All right, you guys, that was it. You guys, that was crazy. Cause yeah, I was actually gonna try to get a few of those Kobe ones. I was trying to help a couple people out, but while I was walking around carrying it, one of the workers came up to me and said, "Hey, it's only one per," which I can totally understand, you know, because they want everybody to be able to get one. But it's just crazy because I've never seen that at this location, and there was no sign or anything either. So I'm pretty sure they kind of changed the rules because they saw me holding a bunch of them, you know. But it is what it is, you guys. That's kind of how it works. The rules change. Rules differ per store and all that type of stuff. So it is what it is. I did get one for one of the homies. So it is what it is, you guys. But yeah, the Kobe ones were crazy. They also had those LeBrons there. That was insane. So that was a pretty dope trip, you guys. That was a pretty dope trip. I think that does show us that, hey, even if they don't have the crazy sales, they still do got heat here and there, so we still have to check once in a while. With those LeBrons, I'm wondering if they did have all the sizes, because they did have that in one of the Orlando locations as shown by Ballin' on a Budget, so I'm wondering if it's like that. And maybe I missed out, because I haven't been there that long. If you guys have been to this location recently, let me know. And if they did have a full size of those, yeah, let me know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you help your boy, press that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and press that subscribe button, click on that notification bell, because I do drop a ton of videos, you guys. Maybe the Nike outlets are coming back. I don't know. Maybe they're coming back with some heat. We'll see, you guys. We'll see. But yeah, see you guys next one. Peace.